Hello? 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 Hello?
My test. Hello.
Hello? Oh, I like the mic test. Hello. How are you? Are you feeling better now?
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that. What did you do to feel better?
I went to, you know it.
To the doctor?
Yeah.
And then the doctor gave you some medicine?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of medicine? Like is it something you drink or something you eat or you chew? What is it?
Or, or something like small.
Oh, like this. Oh, the small tablets.
And I eat it with water.
Okay.
When I chew it, it is very bitter.
Oh, that's why I hate drinking medicine, you know? I hate bitter food, anything that is bitter. But how many times a day do you need to drink it? Like twice a day?
No, I don't drink it. It is not drinking.
Oh, you just chew
It
it.
is not liquid. It is solid.
Oh, you take it. You eat it.
Yeah, I said I eat it with water.
Okay, so how many times a day? Like twice a day or once a day?
One and two 1 days, and we eat it morning and
You
afternoon and
don't you don't
evening.
you don't say you eat it. You take it.
Oh
Okay?
yeah.
Because it is for food. When we're talking about medicine, you use the word take. I take it at like 6 p.m. and then another one at 6 a.m. So that's nice that you're feeling better. Now I know that we are super ready for our lesson. Okay, so do you still remember what did we talked about last week?
Huh? We
Do you still
talked
about what? Hmm,
about the sound.
the sound. Maybe. Or we talk about weather.
Yeah, yeah.
Parts of weather. Remember, we talked about hail, precipitation. Can we read these words again so we can just have a
Hail,
full
precipitation, rain,
thermometer,
thermometer, weather,
weather,
rain,
and meteorologist?
meteorologist,
So we talked about weather. How can we measure weather? What are the instruments we use?
precipitation,
Okay, so
and
what are the
temperature.
parts? I have a question for you. You need to listen first. What are the parts of the weather? We have three.
Yeah, I said
Okay, we have.
precipitation, temperature, wind.
Okay, so what is precipitation? I forgot.
Precipitation. You forgot, then you can see it with
I can see it, but it's better if you read it for me.
it. Okay, I will just read it. It
Okay.
can fall as rain, hail, or snow.
Yes, that is what you call precipitation. So, what kind of precipitation do you experience in Korea? Do you experience rain, hail, or snow?
Huh?
What do you
Right. They
experience in
can be
Korea?
three of them.
Oh, really? Rain, hail, and snow?
Hmm.
Ooh, here in the Philippines, you only have rain. That's so sad.
And
Oh,
you have warm, hot,
oh yeah, that's a
and
very
cool. Not cold. There is not no cold.
yes. We don't have winter.
There
We
is
only have
no
summer.
cold.
Yes.
There is just warm, hot, cool.
What's that? Why did you draw
I
that one?
made it. The OX. The OX.
Oh, it means like correct and wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So, temperature here in the Philippines is very hot. How about in Korea?
Mm, uh, oh, it can be warm, hot, cool.
Oh, the four temperatures. That's amazing. And then lastly, we have wind. This is the air from that can go from warm place to cold places and then cold places to warm places. So it depends in the direction. And we also learned four weather instruments. I'll ask you questions about it, okay? So what do we use to measure the wind's speed?
Okay. Rain gauge, thermometer, weather vane, wind gauge.
Oh, I'm asking you, what do we use to measure the wind's speed?
Measure the
Good.
wind gauge.
How about we use it to measure the temperature in the air?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Oh, do you want to see my thermometer? I have a thermometer here. Do you have some? Do you have a thermometer?
I think this is not, but I will ask. Is this thermometer?
Oh, I think it's not. Oh,
This
let me
is
see. Oh, the other one is like direction and the other one is like temperature, right? Oh, yes,
yeah,
that is the kind of
and it
thermometer.
can be this too,
Ooh, oh, it's the best for camping and
and
for
this
hiking.
too,
Ooh. That is so
and
bright.
and this too. Mirror,
Oh, it's
and
a
this
telescope.
too
It's a
to
telescope.
see something.
Yeah, it's a telescope. Ooh, it's so cool. I want to have that one. Where did you get that?
I think when in school.
Oh, that's so cool. So, we're done with our very short review. Now, I want you to try this one.
Very short
We have
review.
different kinds of weather instruments. Can you please help me classify the missing words and this instrument?
English. Oh my god.
Do you want me to give you some options?
Yes.
For letter A, is it precipitation or meteorologist?
Precipitation.
Okay. Next time I won't give you
Hint.
any hint. How about this one? The next one for letter B. A rain gauge.
The huh?
A rain.
Ah. The rain. Here's no. No. A rain gauge is used to measure the amount of mm,
Amount of
mm,
what?
wait.
We can go here.
Okay, I know it.
Okay, amount of what?
Oh no. Wait. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Rain.
What's your
Well,
answer?
this
Rain. The answer
rain.
is rain. Yes. How about letter C? Let's talk about thermometer.
The the
The
the
most important, the speed of the air or the temperature of the air?
the temperature.
Okay. I already gave you another hint there. How about letter D?
The weather vane
Oh, is it
shows it.
saw? It's oh.
Ah, a weather vane shows which direction the weather is blowing. Oh no,
The
wind,
weather. What is your answer? Are you sure? Is it a weather or wind?
wind.
Okay, wind. It's wind. Now let's have this
Wind,
one.
wind, wind, wind,
One,
wind.
two, three, four. You got it all correct. Okay, now we have this
But the
one.
check is wrong.
Oh yeah, I'm very sorry. It should be circle. Okay, so let's have this one. I forgot again. Can you believe that? I forgot it
But
again.
it's okay. All of my teacher is forgetting.
Okay, now let's have this one. Oh, how many teachers do you
No
have?
one remembers that.
Oh, how many teachers do you have in Listen and Speak? Like two or three?
I have two teacher, but when some teachers can't study
Oh, like the
with me,
substitute teachers.
I think she's name is Angelica.
Oh, it's teacher Angelica. Yeah, I know teacher
Yeah,
Angelica.
and
The other one.
I think I remember the man.
Oh, you also
No,
have a man teacher, a boy.
but now I think he is now no.
Oh, yes, I think so. That's correct.
And teacher Lara and teacher, oh, I forgot his name, and
Her name. You say,
teacher
I forgot her.
Natalia
Her
and
name.
teacher Erica.
It's not she's name. You say her name. I forgot her name. Okay? So let's have this one. Thank you for sharing. I'm just curious about it. So let's have number one. Who is a
Uh,
meteorologist?
Meteorologist is a scientist who studies the weather.
Oh, yes. Okay, but number two.
But I think I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
I think I think the one number answers can be Earth too.
Oh, okay. So when we say meteorologist, that is different from geologist. Okay, meteorologists they focus on weather, what happens in the sky. Okay, and the geologist, the one you're talking about, is the one who study the earth. Okay, you call it
Okay.
geologist. They dig the earth, they look for fossils, they study the soil, the stones, the rocks, and everything. So, what do you prefer? What do you think is more cool, to be a meteorologist or a geologist?
Geology.
Oh, you think geologist is much cooler?
Mm.
Why?
Because because
What do you like
I
about it?
I think I can study about fossil.
Oh, you like to study about fossils. That's amazing. What fossils do you want to find out? Like fossils of old people, old animals?
Mm,
What do you want to find out?
I want to find it
Fossils of
the
what?
animals.
Oh, fossils of animals. Oh, that's why a lot of people loves to look for it because especially the extinct animals like the mammoth, the dinosaurs. So they love looking for it. I hope you can be a geologist someday. Do you want to?
I
You kind of like it?
think I don't know.
Okay, okay. But when you became a geologist and I saw your name in or I saw you in the television, I will be super proud. Oh, that's my student and Listen and Speak. That's Evan. I will be so proud. And that time I will be so old already, like a grandma.
Yeah, you are the grandma.
Oh no, but I will be really happy if that will
Oh,
happen.
oh, teacher. I met Angelica teacher yesterday,
Oh, you have a class with teacher Angelica?
and she told me when she
With
students
her
say,
student. We say her
no,
student.
her
When her
student
student.
said, she, I know her name Ukja.
Okja?
Yeah, and Korean name
Oh, what
it
is
is.
oh, it's Okja is Korean name?
And and that name is for her grandma.
Oh, Okja means grandma.
Yeah, you
How about
when
how about grandpa?
grandpa? I don't know.
Oh, it's just an old name. Okja is an old name, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you should not name it into like young people. Do you want me to call Evan
Okja.
Okja? You want
No,
me to call
I
you Okja?
I am not a girl.
Oh, it's for a girl. Now I know. Okay, so let's have number two. Are you ready?
Yes.
The number two.
Mm, okay. Rain gone.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Yes, of course. How about number three?
Temperature can cause precipitation. Mm, and wait. Oh, so warm weather can cause hail.
Are you sure?
Mm,
I think it should be wind.
A.
It should be A or A, B, or C. What do you think? Temperature
I
cause
think A or
precipitation.
C.
I think actually A and C are both like a very nice answer, but let's have letter C. Okay, so let's have number four. Can you help me with number four?
Meteorologist can
Okay. I
information
need to check how you say the word meteorologist. Meteorologist.
meteorologist.
Very good. I like how it sounds now. One more time.
Meteorologists get information about the weather. No, wizard. So they can predict. No.
Okay. What's your answer?
Yeah.
Change, control, or predict?
Predict.
Predict, yes. Predict means to guess, like to know what will happen next. If it will be rainy, if it will be windy,
Oh,
or if it will
when
be sunny.
change or
Oh,
control.
can you
Oh,
change
it
the
can
weather?
be not true, but it means that it is doing like when
Like,
God is
yes, like it's a magic. Okay, it's something like in the
superpower.
fantasy. It's superpowers. Do you want to have like that kind of superpowers? Like you can change the weather. Like for example, I want it to be snowy. It will be snowy.
Yeah, I think I think
That will be
you
cool.
will.
Oh, I want it. I want the superpowers for Philippines so I can like change the weather. Like, Evan,
Then
look, it's
oh,
snowing outside. I changed the weather tonight. That will be cool.
so Korea it has no snow.
Oh, you don't like snow for Korea?
No, but I like.
And then I will say, oh, make it rain in Korea. Or I can also say, make it so sunny today in Evanstown.
No,
Okay, so let's have this part now. Okay, so
then
your
I
answer.
can do that. Make tornado.
Oh no.
FC4. I know. No, 5
That's
tornado.
very scary. Tornado
Then
can
tornadoes.
hurt a lot of people. So let's have number one. Can you help me? Let's read the
What
question
are
first.
3 parts of it is
What are the three parts?
precipitation and
Precipitation,
temperature and
temperature, and
wind.
wind. Very good. How about number two? When does precipitation fall? As hail or snow? When it's hot, when it's warm, or when it's cool? What do you think?
And it is cold.
When it is cool. So how do we say that in a sentence? Precipitation,
When it
precipitation
is
falls.
cold,
Okay, when it's cold,
precipitation fall as hail or snow.
Okay, good work. Now, oh, this will be the next lesson. So let's go to your workbook. So while I'm loading your workbook, you told me you like the powers to change the weather, right? If you
But
have the
I don't like it.
oh, for example, you have the power to change the weather tonight in your place. What
Mm.
weather would you like it to be?
I don't know.
Hmm,
But
you
it
don't
is
know?
okay here.
Oh,
Very good.
oh, how was the weather? Oh, how was the weather today? How can you say it's very good?
It was a little bit hot.
Ooh,
The
no,
weather
no.
was.
And do you like that kind of weather?
No,
Or what do you want it to be?
it's a little bit cool.
Okay, okay. So before we go, I think we're done with this with our other activity. Let's just focus on this one, on the sentences. Let's have this one. Evan, I need your help.
Okay, you need my help.
Yes,
And
I do.
I need your help. Okay, let's do this.
Number
Uh,
one,
the crops are damaged by
by what?
hail.
By hail, yes. How about number two?
The thermometer says that the temperature in the room is 25 degrees
25
degrees.
degrees Celsius. Oh, you
Sure.
read this one as degree, the zero, the small circle. You call that degree, and this is Celsius. So you say
When
25 degrees Celsius. Can you say that?
25 degrees Celsius.
And when you see it's letter F, not letter C, it's Fahrenheit. So it's letter C, that's why we say Celsius. So let's have number three.
We have to use rain gauge. You know how much rainfall.
We have to use a rain. Okay, that's correct. You got it again. How about here, number four? Oh, someone is sleepy. Oh no. Do you know when I'm sleepy, I make funny faces?
Ah,
Can you Oh, that's so funny.
mm, and 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 ouch!
What
And
happened?
sad pig.
Oh, uh, is that sad? It looks so silly.
And mad pig.
Oh, you're scary with your mad
And
face.
and happy pig.
Happy pig. How about a sleepy pig? You're so silly, Evan. So let's have number four. Can you help me? Oh, don't do that. You look like an okja. Let's have this one. Number four.
Okay, the mm, mm, architect.
Okay. The architect, are you sure?
Ah, a meteorologist.
Oh no. Let's read it again, please.
Meteorologist.
You need to read the sentence, please.
Ah, on TV is predicting floods in the country next month.
Oh, it's not floods, it's floods.
Flood.
Okay, how about number five?
Oh, ah, yeah. The mm,
It's an instrument for the wind.
the Chimney.
Chimney?
Weather vane.
Okay, you need to read the sentence, please.
On the roof is moving in the wind.
How about number 6?
Uh, the a very little um,
Very
um
little.
heat
Ooh, very little heat falls
ice.
in the desert. Are you sure? I think it's not ice, it's not heat, it's precipitation.
Oh,
Can you read it again, please?
the very little precipitation falls in the desert, which is why deserts are very dry areas.
Yes, it is a very dry one. Now let's have this one. Okay? Ooh, can you do this one?
Okay.
I think you can do this one. Just tell me if you want a hint. Oh, your microphone is on mute. I cannot hear you.
Uh,
Hello? Oh, there you go. We will do this one. Let's complete this together. Can you help me? Just tell me if you need a hint.
a meteorologist
Mm-hmm.
is a scientist who studies the weather. Meteorologists get information about the weather. They can predict what the weather will be like later on. Mm, precipitation
Okay, very good.
is is part of the weather. It can it can fall as rain, hail, or snow.
Mm-hmm.
All um, weather god
I think it's a rain gap.
uh, is used to measure the amount of rain that falls in on spot. The temperature is an important part of the weather.
What
Uh,
measures the temperature?
a thermometer measures temperature. When it is warm, precipitation will fall as rain. When it is cold, precipitation might fall as hail or snow. Wind is another important part of the weather. Air moves from warm areas to cool areas. Wind is moving air. Wind can carry moisture into or away from an area. Wind can also change the temperature of the air in an area. Uh, a wind gauge shows
No,
which there
it is.
is weather vane shows which direction the wind is blowing.
Very nice. That is correct. Thank you very much for that. Very nice answers, Evan. So we're done with our lesson about parts. Oh, sorry, I forgot it again. I should do. You got it all correct. Thank you very much, Evan. Now, let's go back to your book and see what do we have for the next lesson. Oh, we will talk about day, night, and seasons. Can you read that?
Day, night, and seas.
Okay, and before we go to our story, we will have this one. Okay, we will talk about day, night, the seasons with these words. We have the first one,
Okay, axis.
axis.
A line around which something turns.
Okay, for example, have you seen a racetrack before, like racing cars?
Yeah.
They have the track, right? They follow a track. And they do that multiple times. They turn and turn and spin, and they do it in the same direction every time. That's how our planet revolve also because it has its own track and we call that axis. Can you say that word? Axis.
Axis.
And how about the next word? What is this?
Tilt.
Tilt. So
Cause
our planet doesn't stay like a perfect circle. It's a bit tilted. It's a bit sideways. Because if it's like standing straight up, it will be hard for it to revolve around the sun. That's why it's a bit tilted. So let's have this one.
okay.
Can you can you help me,
To
please?
cause something to be in a sloping position.
Yeah. So let's have this one. What is this?
Okay. Orbit.
Orbit. What is orbit?
Orbit to move around something in a continuous curving path. I know this.
Oh, really? You have studied it in you studied it in science class, maybe? So when we say orbit, it's how our planet move around something. And the Earth move around what?
Move around.
Around what? The moon? Around the
Around.
moon? I think
What?
Earth moves around the sun, right?
Phone.
Yes, it orbits around the sun. So let's have this one. How about here?
Okay.
What is this?
The
Rotate.
rotate.
Like I have a perfume bottle here, so I can rotate it like this. So you can see the back part of it. So that's how you rotate something. You don't go anywhere. It stays in the same place, but it moves in a circular motion. How about the next word?
Sunrise.
Sunrise. So what time do you usually wake up, Evan?
I wake up when
Like
it is
at 6
at
a.m.?
7:30
Ooh, you wake up at
a.m.
7:30.
to 8 a.m.
Have you seen a sunrise before?
Yes.
Yes. So this happens early in the morning. It's a time that you see the sun in the morning rising up from the other side of the earth. So that's very nice. So sunrise and sunset, they are opposites, okay?
Mm,
Where can you see sunset? When can you see sunset? In the morning?
mm.
When
No,
can you see when can you see a sunset?
when evening.
When it's
When it's evening.
yes, you see sunset when it's evening because it's the opposite of sunrise. The sunset shows us how the sun, okay, how the sun sleep, okay? He needs to sleep or to go to the other side of earth again. That's why we have evening time. Now let's have this one. Ooh, visual summary. So this is how Earth orbit around the sun. Okay. So this also gives us different um different weather or different season. So when your country is facing the sun, you have
Summer.
summer. When your country is like here, it will be winter. Okay.
Mm,
Oh, when your country is in this side, it will be spring, and when it's in this side, it will be fall. So it depends on your position from the sun. So let's have this one. Let's read the sentences. Can you help me, please?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, huh?
This one, I want you to read this
Ah,
information.
Earth always rotates in same directions. Earth's rotation causes the seasons to change. Earth's rotation causes day and night.
Very, very good. That's nice. So here, so when it's morning, noon, and afternoon, we can see shadow changes. Okay. So you can see
Okay.
sometimes your shadow is facing your the northern part. Sometimes it faces the south, the west, or the east. That's because the position of the sun changes as the time goes by. So in the morning, what happens in the morning, Evan?
Morning, the sun is low in the sky. Shadows are long, but they become shorter.
And at noon,
Noon, the sun is at its highest point in the sky. Shadows are shortest.
afternoon.
Afternoon, the sun is low in the sky again. Shadows grow longer.
Okay, so I have a question for you. What time of the day makes the shadow the shortest?
The noon,
Very good. What time of the day makes the shadow grow longer?
afternoon,
And lastly, when can be shadows long and then they become shorter?
morning.
In the morning. Very nice. So, Evan, I know it's already time, but we started late, so we need to finish 3 more minutes, okay?
Hmm?
Yes. I need to pay for the time that I'm late, okay? Don't worry. You will just do easy activities, or we can play a game. Okay, so before we play a game, I want you to complete these sentences for me.
Earth, um, orbit. Oh, no. Number 6 is orbit.
Rotate. Number one is rotate.
Rotate.
Earth rotates again.
Earth rotates from west to east.
Number six is orbit. It takes one
Yeah.
year for Earth to orbit the sun. Okay, very good. That's correct. How about number two?
Two. The
The axis.
key. Ah,
The axis. Let's read before we
axis
play.
goes through the center of Earth from north to south.
Okay, now this is the game I want us to play. It's called the face game. Okay, and we will do actions, and then you need to guess what am I doing. Okay.
Okay.
So my turn first. Look at Teacher Anna. So I will stop sharing so you can see my face bigger. So look, what am I doing? Hmm,
Pooping.
you got it. How about you? Can you act something?
Okay. Um. Um.
Surfing,
Oh
playing, dancing.
no.
Oh, what's the answer?
Playing soccer game.
Oh no, you won this time. I'll make sure next time I will win too. So that's it for tonight. Thank you very much, Evan. Have a great night, okay?
Yeah.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Sonic and
Oh, it's
Tail.
Sonic. I like it. Goodbye, Evan.
Bye bye.